In the linear counting strand, the first lesson we can give with the golden beads are the teens. We'll use the 10 bars and the unit beads and the numeral card 10, and we'll have our units here. So we would get out the quantity, and we'll have our numeral, and we'll just add one bead at a time. This is 11. This says 11. Let's add another bead. This is 12. And we have 12. And we continue until we reach 19. The next lesson in the linear counting strand is the tens. So once a child has reached 19, we know that when we have 9 and add a 10th, that's an exchange to the next place value category. We would exchange all of these 10 loose beads for one group of 10, and now we have 20. And then we can continue adding 1 each time. 21, 22, until we reach 29, where then we'll have a 10th bead that will make us exchange for 30. 30, and continue linear counting. Another way that you could do this, if you didn't want to do counting by 1, you want to really focus on counting by tens, you could just have your tens out. We have another 10. Oh, that's 40. And they can count 10, 20, 30, 40. Yep, that's 40. And do the tens that way. 2 different ways you can do the tens lesson.